Hello everyone, I am Dr. Gajan Pratap Singh, faculty of BGMC department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture topic on North and South divide. The North and South divide or rich or poor divide is a socio-economic and political division that exists between the wealthy developed countries known collectively in the north and the poor developing country, least developed country or the south. Although most nations comparative of north in the fact locate in the northern hemisphere, the divide is not primarily defined or geographic. The north is home to 4 out of 5 permanent member of the United Nations Security Council and all member of G8. The north mostly covered the best and the first world with much and second world. The expression north-south divide is still common use, but term north and south are already somewhat outdated as nation become economically developed. The may become part of the north regardless of geographical location, while any other nation which do not qualify to developed status are is in effect deemed to be part of the south. Problem with defining the divide. Following the fall of the Soviet bloc, which was commonly referred to as the Second World, many of its constituting countries were classified as developing, dispute being geographical northern. At the same time, geographical southern nation previously considered developed such as the East Asian Tiger or Turkey have joined the modern first world, but is classified inconstitutionally in map showing the north-south divide. Similarly, dependency of developed nations are also classified and southern, although they are part of developing world. On an ideological level, some development geographers have argued that current constitution on the north-south divide as the main organization principle and understanding the world economy has overlooked the role of inter-imperial conflicts between the United Nations, Japan and Europe. Digital divide is often characterized as corresponding to the north-south divide. However, it is interesting to note that internet use and especially broadband access is now soaring is Asia compared with other countries constitutes its phenomena is partly explained by the ability of many countries is Asia bypass other internet technology and infrastructure coupled with become economics with although vastly more people to get online. Development gap. The north-south divide has more recently been named the development gap. The place gathering emphasis on closing the event gap between rich, more economically developed country and poor, less economically developed country. A good measure of the on which side of the gap a country is located in Human Development Index. The never this is to 1.0 the gather is the country level of development and the further the country is on the development pathway closer toward being well developed. So I hope you understanding the topic of north-south divide. Thank you.